and my head hit the wall. Boom. But I had...
Rashad?
Yep.
I'm hungry. I'm gonna need you to go get me some food.
What you want?
I'm thinking
You
sushi.
talking about from that sushi place down the street?
No, Tokyo.
From where?
Boy, your ass just heard me say Tokyo.
Is that like a new sushi place that I haven't heard of?
Rashad, quit fucking playing with me. I'm talking about Tokyo, Japan.
Mama, you want me to go to Japan to get you some sushi?
So, I always go get you McDonald's whenever you want, but you can't go get me some
Mama,
sushi?
McDonald's is across the street. Japan is across the ocean.
Well, then today your ass better be Jesus and walk across that ocean.
All right. I'm gonna go get it.
Now, I know the hell your ass ain't trying to walk out my house without saying nothing.
Mother, you just informed me of your hunger. You said you wanted some sushi. So that's where I'm gonna go. I'm going to Japan to get you some sushi.
Now, Rashad, please tell me how your dumb ass finna get to Japan.
Mama, I don't know what game you keep playing with me. I don't think it's funny anymore. My blood pressure is on 1,000,000. I might have a stroke any day. This is not funny. You're killing me. You are killing me.
Apparently someone got shot outside of Penn Station yesterday. And, you know, sometimes that's just the price you pay for living in the greatest city in the world. I wanted to Uber home from work today, but it was going to cost me around $90. That's all right, though. I could always use some more steps. The 20th anniversary of 9/11 is coming up, and the Taliban just took over Afghanistan. I'm sure nothing bad will happen. A homeless man just licked my face in Times Square. If I live, it'll definitely strengthen my immune system. I just watched a man die on the side of the street. That kind of stuff reminds you how precious life really can be. A group of NYU students just surrounded me and called me poor. At least now I'll finally have some motivation to pick up those extra shifts at work. I just got poked by a stray needle in Hell's Kitchen. At least now I can finally try heroin off my bucket list. Back at my apartment complex. I live on the 18th floor and the elevator is broken. Now's when the fun begins. More steps.
I hate when girls, especially my girlfriend, think that we're gonna leave them all the time. Oh, you're gonna leave me because I'm not good enough. Woman, I'm lucky I even got you. What do you mean? I am built like a twig. I look like every basic white boy with black hair. You are probably gonna be the first and last girlfriend I have. I'm hideous. I appreciate that you have enough confidence in me that you think I can pull another girl like that, but I really can't. You are stuck with me, because there is no way. Nobody's gonna be lined up at my door like, I wanna date him. I don't even know how you put up with me half the time. I'm lucky you even looked in my direction. What do you mean? What about I'm about to leave you? Where am I about to go? Walmart?
Hey, babe.
Yes.
I was thinking about making this for dessert. I want to make sure that that's something you would eat.
I would definitely eat that! Wow, that's very nice. I'm gonna keep this in my wallet.
Yeah, I know my destiny's in front of me. Growing up from 100 seeds, I must survive, it's a human need. To make it to the top, I must believe. Yeah, I'm growing like a flower. I meditate for hours. The rain is like my shower. I used to be that doubter. Used to be that coward. I used to be that tower. In terror, I'm crashing down and knowledge is the power. I'm a different person now. This is the world I found. My energy and certain sounds. Now my gods have made my verses loud, so I'm speaking out and I'm preaching out. Positive vibes are all around. I'm manifesting till I find my crown. To the haters will never put me out.
Stars come crashing down on me. Now I know times have changed. It's liberate.
Red, you got any singers for the crowd? No? How about you, Nelly?
Yeah, I got one. You're a fat fuck.
What did Cinderella say when she got to the ball? Glock glock.
Why would she get to the ball? Wait, what?
Eventually.
There's no sound. Yeah, that's because he's on his way here to what he thinks is a challenge, and he'll be getting onto this floor using that elevator.
The thing is, there is no challenge, and that is our elevator. We control where it goes, who gets on it, when it gets stuck.
Oh, I hope it doesn't get stuck.
Guys,
it's getting stuck.
Here we go.
He doesn't know that he's getting punished. This is next level. We're taking over real life. Yeah.
God, this is so exciting.
There's our friends.
Look at Sal. Not a care in the world. Until right now.
Oh.
This is great.
Okay, that's nice.
This is Sal's worst nightmare. He's in a confined box with a sick person.
You should cover your mouth when you cough.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
What do we do?
What about the emergency button?
What's he doing? He's trying to manually open it.
Q, you want to go work on it?
Yeah, I got. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna
Go
go
work on getting them out.
Here comes our fire department.
The fire department's on the scene.
Hello?
Hold on, we're working on it.
Thank you.
Get comfortable, you might be in there well, okay?
It's okay. It's okay.
What's in the bag?
Just a cat.
Sal hates cats.
Are you gonna take your head out?
Well, she's just freaking out.
Now he's stuck in the elevator with a sick dude and a hairless cat.
I think you should.
You know what? She just gets freaked out a little bit.
Dude, can you turn around when you cough?
Sorry.
Do you need us to do anything from in here?
Stand back, we're trying something bigger. Stand back.
I don't know.